Hello everyone! Fiona the Fire Truck's at the garage today. She's having her yearly checkup. Yes, Blue, there is a lot to do. It's going to take all day. If Fiona is here all day, what's going to happen if she's called to an emergency? What's that, Red? You've got a friend who'd like to volunteer for firefighting duty? Brilliant! Where is this new friend of yours? I'm really excited about meeting this shiny new fire truck. I wonder when she's going to get here. Oh, she's here already. Hello. You must be Maggie. Maggie the mini fire truck. Hehe, I'm sorry. I was expecting someone a little bigger. Yeah. Stop. Okay. I'm sorry, Red. I'm sorry, Maggie. It was mean of me to laugh at you because of your size. Thanks for offering to help today. A fire? At the farm? You'd better get going. Good luck, everyone. Hello, Maggie. Hello, Red. Hello, Blue. You look worn out after such a busy day on firefighting duty. What a fantastic job you've done covering for Fiona. Even though you're tiny, you were a massive help today. Now Fiona's as good as new. She can't wait to get back to work. And Maggie's going to make a fantastic addition to the firefighting crew. You'd best get going. See you both again soon. I hope you enjoyed meeting our new friend Maggie today. She showed me that even the smallest people can make the biggest difference. For now, it's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!